Hello, today you're looking at a Plastic Blower Company 3 horsepower fiberglass blower brought to you by Lanco. The inlet here is 16-inch in diameter. The fan is in good shape. We'll take a look at it a little bit. The outlet on top is 16 inches by 18 inches. Another look at the fan on the inside. Overall dimensions, 52 inches long by 52 inches wide by 66 inches high. Does have some cracking there in the fiberglass. It can be patched up easy enough. The unit is wired for 480 volt. RPM rating is 1700. We'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it in operation. Please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.